You fooled us, sir.
And you fooled him!
You fooled us.
Then you fooled us. You, sir, have fooled us.
Penn Teller are two of the greatest magicians of all time, and they have amazing magic tricks, and almost no trick fools them. But there is actually a trick that fools them, and today I'm going to show it to you. So, let's begin. For this trick I want the spectator to cut a small pile, just like this, and please remember the card that's here. So now I want the spectator to cut like half of the deck again, and they have to remember this card as well. Now I can place the two piles back, and I can just spread all the cards just like this. And you can see there are two jokers in the deck actually. Look, the two jokers are here. It's pretty funny. And they are gonna tell us where your cards are. So I can place the rest of the deck here on top of each other, and the first joker tells me the number is 18. Yes, so I'm gonna count 18 cards and let's see which card it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. The 18th card goes here. And now this card tells me, this joker tells me, 43. So I have to count 43 cards, so 90, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43. So I think all the cards are selected. And let's see. So the first card is the 4 of diamonds. The second card is 7 of diamonds. But that's not the best part, because every joker has the number the card was in. Look, 18 is written there. And the other joker has the number 43. And spectator is fooled. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and nice you made it into the tutorial. So the setup for this trick is really easy. Just take two jokers, and on the first one you're gonna write 18, and on the second one 43. This is an option, you don't need to do that, you don't need to ruin your jokers. But if you want, you can do it. This gives a stronger effect, but it isn't needed for the trick. So now you're gonna count 9 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're gonna place the joker with the 43 on the back, face up. And now count 18 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And place the other joker face up on that position. And now you are ready for the trick. And after the 9 cards and the 18 cards, you can count 25 cards, so you're sure everything is correctly placed. And now you can let the spectator cut to a random card. In this case it's the King of Hearts. And now you can let the spectator cut another pile. So in this case it's the 6 of clubs. But what now if the spectator cuts to a joker? That's not a big problem. Just say we're gonna come back to that in a moment. And now you have 3 piles. 1 with the King of Hearts, 1 just random pile, and 1 with the 6 of clubs. You're gonna place the left packet first, and then the right packet. This is really important. If you do it the opposite, the trick won't work. And now you can spread the cards just like this. And you can show, look, I got 2 jokers. And you're gonna cut the cards on the position of the 2 jokers. Just like this. And now you got, again, 3 piles. Now you're gonna place the right packet first, then the left packet. So this is exactly the opposite of the first move. And now you're gonna say something like, okay, I'm gonna hear what the joker tells me. So the first joker tells me the number 18. So I'm gonna count that number, and there has to be your card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's obviously the King of Hearts. But you don't show that, just put your cards under the jokers. And now the second joker tells me the number 43. So we're going to count further. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, and this is obviously the 6 of clubs. And you put that under the joker, just like this. Now you can place the rest on deck, just like this, and you already did the trick. Now you say, okay, so the first number was 18, right? And you just show the card. The second one was 43. But this is not the best part, but because there already was a number on the back. And same for the other joker. They exactly predicted the numbers where the cards were placed. So this trick is completely self-working and really easy to do. So good luck. So I hope you guys liked the trick and the tutorial. And if you did so, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more magic tricks, you better check this video because that's a pretty cool card trick. So see you later. Ciao.